Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to see your balances and prices in a different currency like USD, EUR or GBP, in this video I will show you how to change the currency display in the Kraken app step by step. First, launch the Kraken app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you reach your home page, tap on your profile icon or the menu button in the top left corner. Scroll down and locate this option called Preferences and tap on it. And here look for Currency Display or Default Currency. Once you see it, tap it and you will see a list of supported currencies such as USD, EUR, CAD and more. Select the currency you prefer and then go back to your portfolio or balances page. Let me go with USD for now. Now go back to your portfolio or balances page. You will find all of your amounts in your chosen currency. And that's it. That's how you successfully change the currency display in your Kraken app. Now you can track your crypto in the currency you are most comfortable with. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.